But what the fucking hell? This is again something wrong. Yeah. Okay, nice. Now we're live. But man, I hate this. Can you just open the uh, stream?
What? It's not going
Yeah,
yet.
yeah, it is.
Still feminism. Oh no, wait. Being vegan. Yeah, it's here. Okay.
But can you see us? You know, like it's visible?
No,
No, right?
no.
This is the problem, and I don't know how to solve it. Because settings for window, no, it's not settings. This is not okay. This is not okay.
Oh, I saw for a moment.
Yeah, I think also there's a delay. Damn.
Yeah, you should just share the whole screen.
Yeah, I was looking for that. I think this, but the problem is when I go down or I just close something and it's not showing. Can you can see us right now, right? Oh, fuck. It is. Desktop. I think it's no, it's not. It's not. Okay, let's try screen capture. Games address entire monitor. Okay, this is the correct one. I think this close this one. Double click to select what is this. What is going on? Now the entire screen. Okay, that was better. So I'm gonna close this one, close this one, close this one as well, this one as well, bigger. So I think it's okay now, right? Can you see me? See us?
Yeah. Wait, I can see the screen. There's like a delay
Mm-hmm.
on YouTube. Yeah.
Now we're good?
Yep.
Okay, let's start now. Uh, do you want to do the intro?
You can do it.
Okay, welcome back to our channel again, Bro Stories, with the new episode. Now we are in 3. We're gonna talk about vegans, vegetarians, and the other diets, omnivores. So my name is Halil. I'm joining from Turkey, and my co-host is gone.
Hello, everybody. My name is Andra, and I'm joining from Hungary.
So, okay, let's start with the question: what is a vegan and vegetarian means? What is the difference? So, tell me about it, Andrea.
Yes. Yeah. So, like vegetarians, usually eat plants. Like that's their whole. I don't know, like, uh, definition. But also they eat like eggs. They eat fish.
Mm-hmm.
They drink milk, as far as I know. So they're
Mm-hmm.
not as restrictive as vegans, because vegans they eat like only vegetables or how do you call them, like grains and stuff. So
Mm-hmm.
plants, basically. Their whole diet is plant-based, no animal products at all. Not
Yeah,
even milk, not even fucking, butter. None of that.
yeah, yeah.
Everything they eat has to be like 100% plant-based, and
Mm-hmm.
to like to have never touched an animal.
Mm-hmm.
That's like the main difference, as far as I know. And
So,
yeah, vegetarians
mm-hmm.
also, like, there is like a religious side to it, because when it's the period of fasting in Christianity, for example, before Easter,
Mm-hmm.
people don't eat meat to like cleanse their bodies, their souls, and all that. so they just eat other things aside from meat, like vegetables, grains, and eggs. Maybe not eggs, I'm not sure, but they eat fish for sure instead of meat, which is like basically the same thing, but for some reason they don't consider fish as a meat.
What,
Yeah.
by the way, what do you mean with cleansing their souls with not eating the food? They just selected some of them, and they're not eating them, and they're thinking that they're cleansing the soul.
Yeah, yeah. It's traditional, I guess. Like it's in Christianity. Don't you have that in
No,
Islam?
no, man, we eat everything, so we don't care about cleansing the
Yeah,
soul. We just eat everything.
yeah. There's the fasting period. I think
Yeah.
it's at least twice a year, but
Mm-hmm.
like monks and nuns do it
Mm-hmm.
as much as they can, and it's like they don't eat meat and fats and stuff like that,
Mm-hmm.
I believe. And yeah, it's kind of to cleanse the soul, to like uh not want all those foods. I'm not sure about the background behind it, but it's like traditional stuff, traditional uh thing. I'm not sure. I think it comes from the like pre-Christian era. I'm not
I
exactly sure about it.
I don't know. Like we have also the fasting just once in a year for a whole month. You're not eating from dawn till night. Like I don't know. It changes over time because if you're in the winter, it's much shorter, and if you're in the summer, it's much longer because the day is longer. The time is the same, but you're not seeing because you're sleeping. So just we are not eating whole day and we are eating everything during the night. So basically, for the make it more simple for being a vegan and vegetarian, as far as I know, just being vegetarian called just not eating meat. Just don't eat the animal meat and that's all. For the being vegan, they're
Yeah,
not eating anything just comes from the animal. Even if, like you said, like milk or eggs and everything. So this is the difference for the omnivores. We are eating everything with plant and also meat. So I see a lot of protesting with the vegans. They're going to the stores, going to the McDonald's, going to the restaurants, and they're just holding some signs, and they're telling people that how you can be this cruel, why you're doing this to animals, don't you have a dog, don't you have a cat, how can you do this, blah blah blah. It's like, let me show you something with the protests.
yeah.
I think it's lagging. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm traveling. What is happening right now? Oh, okay. Now I can do this. So, which one was it? Ah, so this is the people doing the protest. Ah, I accidentally closed the vegan protests. So, do you think that this is something we should do? Just going into the stores, standing in front of the meats and say, let's stop eating animals because they have also lives. I don't know, man. I think it's the same with the genders, like they're just talking shit with the other people's opinion, and they think that they think the best, they know the best, and the other ideas are wrong. And I think this is wrong thinking. Look, they say go vegan or we die. Do you believe in that?
Yeah. No, I mean, I think it's like this go vegan or die or we die thing is
Mm-hmm.
probably connected to like global warming and all that stuff, like
Mm-hmm.
environmental activism. So it's all
Mm-hmm.
the same hypocrisy. Like,
Yeah.
we have to stop eating meat so the planet doesn't explode. It's just a
Mm-hmm.
lie that like rich people tell you.
Mm-hmm. And
Like
what?
this,
Well,
yeah,
yeah, say it. Go on.
like like cows or cows
Mm-hmm.
cause a lot of like pollution by farting basically, which is like so
Mm-hmm.
stupid because they are a very very small part in like
Mm-hmm.
um, greenhouse gases, and also whatever they fart out and caused in damage, all of the plants that they support just take it all back. So it's a cycle of life, not like using trucks to transport things and all the carbon dioxide just goes into the atmosphere. Cows and plants work together in a cycle,
Mm-hmm.
and they recycle the harmful gases that they emit. So I don't know. I think it's just a scam, and this type of activism that we saw
Mm-hmm.
on these pictures is super radical, and it's not gonna
Yeah.
change anything. It's like a publicity stunt,
Mhm.
uh,
Yeah,
just more than hippies.
it's okay to be a vegan, but why you're bothering me if I'm eating meat, right? Just just go and
Yeah.
eat your plants in peace and let me eat my meat in peace as well. So I was arguing with someone, actually having a conversation with this kind of topic, and she was saying that if you wanted to grow animals or like just have a farm and you have animals inside, and she was saying that it causes more trouble to the environment because you have to have a land, you have to prepare food for the animals, so you have to do agriculture, and they say that farmers are killing everything around them because they have to protect the land. They are killing the animals, they're killing the bugs, they're killing the birds and everything. So actually we have a video with this as well. Let's look at this. But before that, which one is the worst? I think just trying to raise plants in a land for the vegans, or just cows or sheep's in a farm. Which one is worse to the environment? I think. What do you think? Which one is bad for the
Which one was
environment?
the first?
It doesn't matter which one you
Growing
search.
vegetables.
Just for the animals or just growing vegetables.
I mean, for growing vegetables is like, I don't know, maybe 1,000 times more harmful because you have to use like what do you call them? Pesticide, uh,
Mm-hmm.
which is basically toxins or
Mm-hmm.
poison
Yeah,
for the bugs and all that
yeah,
inside.
yeah. To save the
Then there
plants.
is like one thing also. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Also, you have to use a lot of water, like
Mm-hmm.
immeasurable amount of water to like
Yeah, yeah.
make the plants survive. Which
Mm-hmm.
that water comes either from the ground, which is the reserves, natural reserves
Mm-hmm.
of the land, or from rivers.
Yeah.
And taking all that water, it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't go back into the system as much as it should.
Mm-hmm.
So it takes
Yeah.
away a lot. But the biggest problem I think is pesticides. Wait, you can see it like
Mm-hmm.
pesticides and clearing land.
Mm-hmm.
For example, in like Brazil,
Yeah.
they're destroying the rainforest to make land for farming,
Mm-hmm.
and those lands will be used to grow vegetables, not raise cattle or something.
Mm-hmm.
They are mostly for vegetables because you need a ton of space for vegetables like wheat and other grains or corn, for example. They need a lot of space.
Yeah, but I know this. I also agree on this, but I don't know how tell the vegans that the other part is doing much worse, like growing animals and just kind of have a reserve for the animals. I don't know which one told them, who is telling them that they are worse, much worse than just growing vegetables. So let me look at this video.
Also, like
Yes.
there is another